Okay, students. Next topic is Class D chopper. Class D chopper is a two-quadrant operation, and the first point is Class D chopper having a two-quadrant operation, and this chopper works in first as well as fourth quadrant. Means this chopper works on two quadrant, first quadrant and fourth quadrant. Therefore, the output current remain positive, but output voltage may be either positive or negative. That is the circuit diagram of a class D chopper. This is the supply voltage VDC. That is the chopper 1, or we can say switch 1. That is the chopper 2, or we can say switch 2, or the thyristor 2. This is the diode, first diode denoted by D1. This is the second diode denoted by D2. That is the inductor, and that is the load. This x-axis shows the output current and this y-axis shows the output voltage. Here we can see that output current is positive and output voltage is positive. This. So in first mode of operation, we get output current positive and output voltage positive, and in second mode of operation, we get output current positive but output voltage negative. That's why this is called two quadrant operation chopper. Two quadrant operation chopper. So this is some basic points or some important points regarding class D chopper. The polarity of output voltage depends upon chopper on time and chopper off time. This time the polarity doesn't depends upon the inductors. The polarity of output voltage depends upon chopper on time and chopper off time. Basically, there are three conditions. First one is when T on is greater than T off. Now, what is T on? T on is on period of chopper. And what is off? T off, that is the off period of chopper. Means when on period of chopper is greater than off period of chopper, that time output voltage is positive. Next is T on is less than T off. That time the output current is negative. And when T on is equal to the T off means output voltage is 0. So remember these 3 points. T1 is greater than T off means output voltage positive. T on is less than T off means output current negative, and T on is equal to the T off means output voltage 0. Okay. Now there are basically two modes of operations. First is when first quadrant. When chopper CH1, this CH1 and CS2 both are switched on simultaneously, the voltage across load, that is V output equal to VDC, and current increases exponentially. So basically this is the circuit diagram of a class D chopper. Here we see that is the chopper 1, that is the chopper 2, that is diode D1, that is the diode D2. In this time, this is the circuit diagram. When CH1 and CS2 both are turned on, the device works on the first quadrant, okay, and looks like this figure, okay, that is the VDC, that is the A, that is B load. So CH1 and CS2 are turned on and D1 and D2 are turned off. The path of current is like this, like VDC to A to B to inductor to load, then chopper, like this. The path of current is like this. Okay. This time inductor charged through this VDC, this supply voltage, and polarity across inductor is here positive and here negative. So when CH1 and CS2 both are turned on, this time output current is positive, the output current is positive, and output voltage is positive. So this time the device works on the first quadrant. The output voltage is positive as well as the output current is positive. Okay, so the device works on the first quadrant. Second is fourth quadrant. Second mode of operation is fourth quadrant when CH1 and CS2 are off. In first case, CH1 and CS2 are on, and in second case, in fourth quadrant case, when CH1 and CS2 are off, the load current continues to flow in the same direction through load D1 and D2 due to the energy stored in the inductor L, and the output voltage is 0. Okay. So when chopper CH1 and CS2 both are, these both are switched off simultaneously, the diode D1, this diode and this diode, both the diodes are forward biased, and current flow through the this direction through B, through inductor, through load, through diode, and the circuit looks like this. Okay, so means this time when CH1 and CS2 both are switched off, this time the inductor releases its energy. When inductor releases its energy, it changes its polarity. This means here the negative, here the positive. The path of a current is like this. So we can say that this time the output current is positive and output voltage is negative. This is the waveforms of output voltage and current waveforms of class D chopper in first condition when T on is greater than T off. So here in this waveforms, this Ig1 denotes the gate current 1 for triggering the thyristor, or we can say chopper 1. This is the Ig2 for triggering the chopper 2. So in this case, when T on is greater than T off, in this case, the output current is positive, this. And in this time, when T on is greater than T off, the output voltage is also positive, this. This output voltage, this is also output voltage, is positive. And second is, first is when T on is greater than T off, and second is when T on is less than T off. In this case, this is the T off, this is the T on, that is the total time period of a chopper that denotes by T. Total T, that is equal to T on plus T off. Similarly, Ig1 and Ig2, it denotes for the gate current for triggering the chopper 1 and gate current Ig2, second gate current for triggering the chopper 2. This time the output current is positive as shown in this figure, this, okay, and the output voltage is negative here, negative. So in previous case, the output voltage is positive and output current is positive, and the operation works on the first quadrant. And this time when T on is less than T off, the operation works on the fourth quadrant. Output current is positive, but the output voltage is negative. Therefore, class D chopper works on two quadrant. Okay, thank you.